Hello, welcome to another video. Umut here. Today I'm working on my napkin journal. If you watch me, you know that I create my own napkin journals and I keep them in these traveler's notebook covers that I purchased from Etsy, and I have many of them. I have a video that shows how I create them, so I will put the link down below at the description area if you're interested. Today I have this black and white napkin with a dash of color, which I love. So I'm going to take parts of it to create my project for today. By the way, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like my videos. And don't forget to hit the like button or leave me a comment so that we can have artsy conversations, which I love. Also, I have an Instagram page as well where I show my projects a little bit beforehand, as sneak peeks, and many more things. Share my favorite craft supplies or what I am doing that day simply. So don't forget to follow me there as well. I just removed the backing from the napkins, and I'm just sticking using my matte medium in each corner, up and down, so that I have something to start with on my page. I'm going to use my Arteza paints today. These are craft paints that I love. I love the colors and I love the pigments, how bright they are. So I grabbed a few of them, 3 shades of blue and gray. Because the background is gray, I think it will help to blend in. I'm starting to blend my napkin into the page using these paints. You don't need to glue your napkin perfectly. You will see that you can always cover the rest of the areas with paint. And I actually decided to go with the gray as a main color after I tried the blue one. I think this will be a nice continuation. And actually I'm going to take the white paint and mix it with my hand because I think it will be more organic, and I feel like I have more control like this. If you are a beginner or if you want to have something quick, just want to play with paint or something, I think napkin journals are great. I love them. I think this might be my favorite way of art journaling. Because there's already a napkin on the page, which is a nice direction, and the colors are there. I love using creativity to complete this half a picture, let's say. So it's definitely one of my favorite ways of creating. I have my Art by Marlene die cut book with me. I bought this a while ago and I keep using it in different projects, and I thought it's a good time to use it on my napkin journal as well. So I took out this beautiful colorful girl, and also I have her background dies in a bag. I'm putting them because they are very little, and I'm using one of them that has this cute plant pot with a heart coming out of it. I'm really excited about her new release. It's about to come out on 2nd of February. It was supposed to come out on 22nd of this month, but it's delayed a little bit. But better late than never. I can't wait to create with them. I'm going to get them as soon as they are out there, and I will share my creations with you immediately. It's called Marlene's World, and it's so colorful, bursting with color rice papers, stamps and die cuts, and I really can't wait. I'm going to link a few websites down below where you can find Art by Marlene products, by the way, so that if you like something I'm using from her, you can always direct to those websites. So after I glue my girl, I'm going to actually use my napkin again for my focal points. They are very thin, but here's a trick. You can always glue them over a piece of paper or cardstock depending on how thick you want them. And there is your focal point. Like, you can fussy cut them and use them as images on your journal. So napkins are not only limited to create backgrounds, but you can use the images on them in this way. So after I glued them over a printer paper, normal paper, I just cut them, and actually I'm going to replace this necklace of this girl with this flower I took from the napkin. So look how everything is cohesive now. And I'm going to use butterflies to glue here and there where the napkin is not. So everything will come together as you see. Sorry, my voice is a little bit tired today because I started a full-time job again. I am a marketeer, so I'm working, and I had meetings all day, and I'm doing the voiceover now. In the meantime, I just forgot to push the button, but I did some polka dots at the places all over the background with my turquoise paint from Arteza, and I used the back of my brush to do that very easy. Because the napkin had these polka dots, I wanted to continue that pattern. And I am coloring these mini hearts with my Posca pen. This is acrylic pen, so it's very opaque, and I'm coloring it with the same blue. And you can use your paint to do so. I was just a little bit lazy and went for the pen. I took out a couple of border cutouts from Marlene's Arabia collection, another die cut pad, and I'm going to give legs to my girl actually, because I don't want her to float in the air, and I don't want to spoil the background on the napkin. So this is the solution that I found. I will use these beautiful borders, and the color goes with everything that I have on the page as well. So I'm really happy with it. I'm using my Nuvo glue to glue down the legs. I cut the excess, and now I'm going to do the white borders, because as you see the girl has this white border around her, and if I don't do the same for the legs, it will look different. So I'm using my Arteza white gel pen to do these borders. I will also put the links down below for the Arteza products that I'm using, and I highly suggest this white gel pen. It's fantastic. The flow is like no other, so definitely check out if you're in the look for a white gel pen that actually works. And I'm going to take my sentiment from my Art by Marlene booklet, sticker booklet. I love these sentiments too. So I'm going to just stick it next to my girl, Stay Wild, Flower Child. I think it's very fitting to my page. And I'm going to do my white splashes. I will go around my sentiment with a black pen with a thin tip. Sharp tip, and I think I'm going to call this page done. I love it. I love how the colors are matching with my girl and the napkin. It's not possible to tell that there is a napkin on the page, and it just brightens my day. I love the colors, so I hope you like it too. And here are the pictures for you to see the details. Don't forget to like, subscribe or comment on my videos if you like them. It means a lot to me. And hope you enjoyed your time, and see you next time.